What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So the source revealed the characteristics of the OnePlus 12 smartphone. According to the latest news, OnePlus is already working on a successor to the OnePlus 11. It is expected that the device will introduce the China market in December under the name OnePlus 12. The global release will take place weeks or months later. This was announced by insider Yogesh Brar. He also spoke about the characteristics of the engineering sample. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. If you are new here for our daily tech news and updates, please consider subscribing and press the bell icon as well. OnePlus 12 prototype specs revealed on the network. The new flagship OnePlus 12 will receive a 5000 mAh long-lasting battery with 100-watt fast battery charging speed, OLED QHD screen, and all-new camera sensors on the back panel. At the heart of the hardware platform is a powerful SoC Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Insider Yogesh Brar spoke about the equipping the OnePlus 12 prototype. According to the informant, the device will receive a 6.7 inches OLED screen with QHD plus resolution and a frame rate of up to 120 Hz. At the heart of the hardware platform is SoC Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is also mentioned. The battery capacity is 5000 mAh, wired charging power is 100 watts. Finally, a significantly improved camera is noted with 250 megapixel SONY IMX890 sensors and 164 megapixel sensor as part of the periscope module. The official premiere of OnePlus 12 smartphone, according to the informant, will take place in December this year. The global release will take place weeks later. It is important to understand that we are talking about an engineering sample that is being tested within the walls of the company, and the release date is still far away. By that time, the specifications may have changed. Yogesh Brar has already published details many times, which have since been fully confirmed. For example, this was the case with Redmi A1, Pixel 7, Pixel 7 Pro, and OnePlus 11. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.